Hello friends, today in this video tutorial we will see a beautiful restaurant billing software. Restaurant, cafe shop, coffee shop, whatever it is, there is a software need and a beautiful software with touchscreen interface. So in this video we will learn everything, we will see the operations, how this software is working, everything. In the desktop you will find there is a icon. Yani before going to this video, if you are in any other country, for example foreign countries, wherever, you can call us or you can WhatsApp us. We are basically from India, we are from Kerala, India, Kerala, and we can install the software in your PC wherever it is, in any country, through AnyDesk or TeamViewer. Our technical care support team is there, they will help you. You can call us or you can WhatsApp us 0091 8078 311 I will put the number in the description, you can call us, and this is the trial version I am running, and this is the login interface you will find for different users. For example, your salesperson, cashier or whatever it is, in the different users you can give the different passwords. For example, for me I use 1234 simply, and you will find there is two options in the login. There is one admin control and there is one cashier control. Admin control means the day-to-day operations and your reports and your printer connectivity, scanner connectivity, everything is there, even secondary display connectivity, everything is there in the admin control. And in the cashier control, of course it is for cashier and for the billing, of course. We will go like that, and there is work period starting option also is there in the software. So you will find the beautiful interface like that, and there is a lot of buttons you will find, and what are the features are there in this software. And of course let me tell you, in the table management system there is an Android application as well to take the orders from the customers. So there is basically table management system is there as I said you. And there is a fast billing system is there is a home delivery is there, and this is a takeaway is there. Fast billing, you will find a lot of things, and in the left side here, in the left side you will see all the main menus. For example, I click on drinks. Click on drinks, the drinks related items will display in the right side. And see other items, if you click here, it will display over here. This is the way you can see this thing. See? So if I click on any drinks or something like that, if I click on any product like that, it will automatically come into the right side. Any product you can select like that. If the customer they are asking, you can select like that. And there is an option called send order. You can see over here, send order. Click on the send order, and there is a chaotic key, and if you click again OK and yes, the receipt will come out. So both I will show you in your monitor. See, this is the KOT, the details which are the food we ordered, and this is the final bill. So there is an order number, it is mentioned over here 7474. And of course I want to tell you, this will be in the counter and this will be in the kitchen. If you have two printers, you can add additional one more printer in the kitchen. So this KOT will print in the kitchen, and you can connect multiple printers to this software. So this is the easiest way we can manage and do the billing system in this software. And again, if I am selecting any other products like that, you select like that, easy way you can manage it. Like that, if you want to increase the quantity, decrease the quantity, there is a lot of control buttons, everything is there. Just click the send the order and click on yes. So both KOT and receipt, it will come over here. It's very easiest way you can manage it. And there is of course table management system is there. Repeated, there is a new table option is there in the right side. There is all tables are booked, and the people they are sitting there and they are eating. Table billing, let me make it from here first of all. For example, this customer table number 9 or table number 8, all this people, they finish their food and they give the cash. For example, cash they are given $300 or whatever it is. cash, and save and print. So I make the final bill over here for those people was sitting there and they was eating. Let me show you, even you can combined bill also option is there, like table 11, table 7, table 8, all they we combined and we done the billing. Now let's go to the table. Now let's see all these tables is free now. Green color means free and red color means it is somebody is occupied. For example, let me select table number 9 and we will order some food for this table number 9, $24. So KOT came. Now only KOT came. Why KOT only came? Because this table person, maybe he will take the food again and again. So we will go to the table again. See, this one is red color now. $24 is in red color now. You can see that one. It is in red color because that person is taken one time order. Again, I click on the same table. I click on some other food for him, like that, some drinks and all. See, $16 again. We are making the order. See, KOT came again. Let's see the table again. Now the total invoice amount is $40. Yeah, bill amount is $40. So let me show you how this person is vacating from the restaurant. This one is KOT only came now. Now let him do the billing. For table billing, you can go here and table number 9. Select on table number 9. All these food items it will display over here. Whatever the food he have taken. See. So let me show you how to do the billing. There is two options is there. Either you can do any unpaid bill and paid bill. Let me show you. For this table, just I click on save and print. I did not mention anything in the cash. See, the bill came, but it is unpaid bill. What we'll do? We will keep this bill copy to one file and keep it in front of the table of this customers. So the customer will put some money. For example, this is 40. He is giving us $50 example. So we need to go there unpaid bills. So there is an unpaid bill, the one which we done now. Now the cash they given is $50. Again I click on update and print. I click on the update and print it. So the T9 it will vanish from this position. So there is no more T9 here. See? Let me show you. So this is the final bill. So this is the way we can control the tables. Here again this is the table booking button. Over here on the right side, click on that. See all this now empty. If some, as I said before, if some tables we want to do the billing together, we can do that one also. And let me show you the rear display. I will rotate the monitor like that, and I will add the. For example, some products I added here, $5.64. The same you will find in the back side. I'll show you. See, you can see, I think. So now here you can see 5.64, the same in the back office. I will add some other products like that, you can see. I will add some other products like that, and see this some products. Oh, I added too much products. So maybe you are like that and I am the cashier. For example, I am doing the billing here. So 39.12 you can see over here, here also 39.12. Now I am doing the billing for this one. Send order. Select a table, which table we need to take the order. I selected one table and I sending the order. So the KOT came over here. See, this is the table management system we have seen this one. In all, even express billing system also we can see the same. Now this amount everything is got vanished, nothing is there. And for example, if you want to make the final bill for that one, T10 and cash and save and print. So that time also the final bill it will come over here. So this option also is there in the software. Now let me show you in the fast billing how we can do. Fast billing, for example, I am selecting some products. So 27.07, again I am adding some more products like that. 45.9, you can see over here 45.9. So let me make the printout, send the order, and I make the final bill also. See this one. This is the yani, KOT and this is the bill. So easiest way you can manage, and the customer display, of course, it will be yani, wonderful it is. So this is the technology in this machine. So it's very easy to handle basically. And there is a back office is there. Let me show you the back office. Close from here, log out, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 and go to admin control. Admin control, you will find this kind of interface, and all the POS sales report, everything you will find here in the POS reports in the right side over here on the POS reports. All the reports, everything you will find, overall report. See, this is the report you will find category wise, how much you have sold out. All these reports, it will come in the in the end of the day. You can do this kind of report, print out everything, and you can add your printer, everything here. I added a printer here. This is Epson printer I have added here. This option is there, and your restaurant information you can add, your restaurant name, everything you can add it here, and categories, the main categories. In the sale panel left side we have seen the main categories. You can add it over here. Menu items, just to fill your product name and all, it will come to the front office. So it is very easy and very user friendly billing software for a restaurant. For installing this software in your PC, you can call us 00918078311945, and our customer care team is there, Raintech Software Limited. They will connect you through AnyDesk, they will connect you through TeamViewer, and they will install this software in your PC, and they will give you the training as well. So it will be very easy for you to control your restaurant or coffee shop. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.